Hello everyone, welcome to the Packet Tracer Activity 9.2.2 from CCNP ENCOR course from Cisco. In this activity we are going to configure advanced features on OSPF version 2. So let's get started. Here we have a topology or the network. It's already connected. We are going only to modify the hello and dead time interval inside the OSPF routers. Okay, so let's read the scenario quickly. You will modify the default OSPF routing configuration by changing the hello and dead timers and adjusting the bandwidth of the link. Then you will verify that full connectivity is restored for all end devices. Okay, so before we start, it's written here that we need to check the connectivity. We have to verify that PCs can ping the web server on the other side. So this is here the IP address of the server, which is 164. Let's do this quickly. Okay, so it's okay. Let's try with this one. This is also okay. So the network is connected. So now we are going to adjust the hello and dead time timers between R1 and R2. Okay, so in R1 we are going to the serial interface, so we are going to modify this link here. So as you can see here, this is serial interface 000. So we are going to go to modify it here in this interface. The dead time and hello interval are always should be configured on the interface itself. So in interface 000, OSPF to be 15 and IP OSPF of course to the deadline or dead interval, sorry, 60. Okay, as you could see here, now we are going to see a link down, because when you modify the interval or the default value in one interface, you should make sure that you are going to modify the same time in the other interface on the other router. So if you modify here, as I did now, the hello interval and the dead interval, I should also do it here. So they should match to function properly. Okay, as you can see here, it's down, neighbor down, and we know why, because we need to, of course, modify the default values in the second router. First configure terminal, and let's see here. Let's see here, this is also 000 and IP OSPF, hello interval 15 and IP OSPF dead interval 60. Okay, we should wait a bit. We should see again. As you can see here, now it's okay and it's done. Okay, so there is also another step, which is how to modify the bandwidth. As you know, OSPF is always using like the lowest cost path, which is open short path first, and here the lowest bandwidth is used. So to make this step first, we are going to trace the path between the server and the PC1. So here I'm going to trace RT. And as you can see here, we have through the first one we have through this router, and then here, and then this one here, 172.16.11, this one, 172.16.3.2, which is this one, and then 209.165, which is this one. Now we are going to change the bandwidth on R1 to be 64. Okay, so to change the bandwidth, we need to, of course, change it also in the interface itself. Okay, so here we are going to change the bandwidth to be 64. Now we are going to try again the route. And as you can see here now, the route, the path between PC1 and the server changed from this one to be this one. As you can see here, the first one to the router, which is the typical the same, but the second one, since we changed the bandwidth here, it's not like this one anymore. It is going to be this one, which is this one, 190 to 168.10.4, and then this one, and then this one. Again, verify connectivity. We already did this since we made the try set. For this video, thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next video.